Today I'm going to talk about flash fill. Flash fill can enter data automatically into your worksheet, saving you a lot of time and effort. It can guess what kind of information you are entering into your worksheet. The flash fill should be on by default and automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern. In this example, the first name field is pulled out from the email addresses. So I am going to expect to have Josie as a first name field in my row number 5. So I'm going to first type in the word Josie to give some sense and pattern to Excel. Then I'm going to hit enter. Of course, the next data should be Wendy. I'm going to type in W starting for Wendy. The minute I started typing W, the rest of the data shows automatically because Excel senses I am pulling out the data right before the period in those email cells. If you agree with that, you simply hit enter to get all the data entered for you automatically. Now, if your flash fill is not readily available on your computer, you can go set that up by clicking on the file, then click on the options, and clicking on the advanced on the left side. And in here, you can take a look in the enable autocomplete fill, automatically flash fill should be checked on. If it didn't, you checked it on and you click on OK over that. By doing so, the next time when you want to do the flash fill, it should come on automatically.
This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.